Hey guys, today we're coming to you to do a tutorial on how to remove the Dell Inspiron P08F screen replacement. And the things you're going to need is a 3.0 millimeter screwdriver and the iSesamo opening tool. You start off by making sure the power cord is out and removing the battery. And you're going to take your opening tool and remove the LCD panel, the plastic cover that's covering the screen. There are 4 screws holding the LCD screen in place that you're going to have to then remove with your screwdriver. And these screws are kind of tiny, so make sure you can keep up with them. Next, there are 4 screws on either side of the LCD panel that you're going to have to remove. You pull the screen forward and remove the LCD connector. Just like that. You take your replacement screen and connect the LCD connector back in place. You pull the screen back up to the brackets, and you're going to attach the 4 screws that you took off on both sides of the screen. You go to the other side and replace the 4 screws on the bracket. Then you take your remaining 4 screws and secure the LCD screen back to the back board. Remove the plastic from your new LCD screen. And replace your LCD's cover. You can now replace your battery. And there you have it. Thank you for watching our tutorial.